Welcome back to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using this product. Today, we're diving into the world of hardware wallets and taking a closer look at Trezor, found at Trezor.io. A hardware wallet, like the Trezor, is a physical device designed to secure your cryptocurrency private keys offline, providing a crucial layer of protection against online threats like hacking and phishing. Unlike software wallets that live on your computer or phone, a hardware wallet keeps your keys completely isolated, meaning even if your connected device is compromised, your cryptocurrency remains safe. Trezor offers a range of hardware wallets with different features and price points, allowing you to choose the one that best suits your needs. Their website, Trezor.io, provides in-depth information on each model, comparing specifications and security features, enabling you to make an informed decision. They emphasize the importance of controlling your own keys, highlighting the dangers of leaving your cryptocurrency on exchanges. Using a hardware wallet like Trezor involves a straightforward process of setting up the device, generating a recovery seed, which you must keep safe offline, and then managing your cryptocurrency transactions through a user-friendly interface. This interface allows you to send and receive cryptocurrency, check your balances, and manage different crypto assets. The Trezor website, Trezor.io, offers comprehensive tutorials and support documentation to guide you through every step, from initial setup to advanced features. They also provide valuable resources on security best practices, ensuring you understand how to maximize the protection offered by their hardware wallets. For those new to hardware wallets, Trezor's website is a great starting point for learning about the benefits and importance of securing your digital assets. It offers a wealth of information, clearly explaining the technology and its advantages over software wallets. The site's clear design and user-friendly navigation make it easy to explore the various Trezor models, compare features, and understand the overall process of securing your cryptocurrency. Remember, taking control of your own private keys is fundamental to ensuring the security of your cryptocurrency holdings, and Trezor provides a reliable and robust solution for achieving this. So, head over to Trezor.io to explore the world of Trezor hardware wallets and take the first step towards securing your digital future.